Hi! Maybe you remember the walking video where I showed you the river. And yeah, I came back now that the Sakura started to flower. Thought of showing you a little bit. I'm Annika, I'm your garden expert in Tokyo, and I'm showing you around Japanese gardens in Tokyo and around. Well, let's go. You can see they are still not in full bloom. But we are getting there. So one side is already flowering a lot, and that's due to the sun. The trees on this side are more exposed to the sun than the trees on the other side. Here we have nothing. That's very interesting. The trees are smaller, so maybe a different variety. I'm very sorry in case the wind is very loud. I still do not have the full equipment. There's still a microphone missing. And for the inbuilt microphone, I don't have a windshield. But I will turn down the volume whenever I don't say anything. I already thought that the trees will not be in full bloom today. But the timing for a video is a little bit tricky this week. It's better doing it today than doing it not at all. From tomorrow we will have days of rain, which is typical for full bloom time. We often have that. The full bloom is predicted for Friday. Today is Tuesday. And on Friday it might be cloudy, no rain, but I have a tour on that day. And I don't know how much I can do on the weekend. Usually on weekends I can't do videos where I am talking. So it looks like the trees where we started were the fastest. All the trees here are not that far. Here's a different variety again. They have a deeper pink. Yeah, and we are on the end of this way, so I will stop here. I hope you enjoyed, even though we still not had the full bloom. Bye!